Welcome to Saadiyat Island, the natural island that is becoming the #1 Abu Dhabi cultural destination. We are at Hadd al-Saadiyat, where luxury living is an understatement. Breathtaking views of untouched coastal environment. Our tour today is truly exciting, situated on this magnificent lot facing the sea. This modern-looking estate was developed by SDIC Abu Dhabi-based developers. 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 7,230 square foot of interiors built over 10,193 lot, only 60 meters from the sea.